Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. In this video, we will watch 15 very beautiful plants idea for any garden. Orchids are very beautiful. If you are new to the world of orchids, don't be afraid of them. Many orchids can be easily to grow if you take some time to learn what they need. Most orchids require water once a week. Avoid overwatering as this can lead to root rot. Orchids prefer bright, indirect sunlight. They need weekly feeding with a fertilizer designed for orchids. Repotting is necessary in fresh orchid mix when your orchid stops blooming. Gerbera is popular for their bright, colorful flowers. Deeply water your plants once a week. Keep them in an area with full indirect sunlight. Water in the morning so the soil can dry throughout the day. Use micronutrient-rich plant fertilizer. Watch this video till the end because we can get some beautiful ideas to decorate our garden. During spring and summer, feed the plant with regular fertilizer. Remove any blooms that wilt to promote new growth. If the plant grows too big, repot in a larger pot. Poinsettias enhance the beauty of any garden. Place them in an area where they can receive proper amount of sunlight. You should water them whenever you feel the soil is dry. To maintain bloom, keep temperature between 65 to 75 degree Fahrenheit. 9 o'clock is a very beautiful flowering plant. They come in many beautiful colors. Give them full sun and well-drained soil. Water them after planting. Don't fertilize too much. Coleus, these beautiful plants give us all-season color. They prefer full sunlight. Coleus are very low maintenance plant. Croton is also low maintenance and very beautiful plant. Place croton in a sunny location. Keep the soil moist but let it dry out between waterings. This plant can be planted in containers and kept indoors. Without light, the croton's color will fade, so they should put in a location that receives sufficient sunlight. Millie is one of the oldest houseplants. It's very easy to care for. They need bright, direct sunlight. Temperature should be 65 to 95 degree Fahrenheit. They prefer low humidity and fast draining sandy soil. Water them when the soil gets dry. Pruning is necessary to maintain the shape. Fertilize lightly with a low nitrogen fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Bougainvillea is a very beautiful flowering plant. The flower bracts are very attractive. They can enhance the beauty of any garden. Bougainvillea needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. They prefer well-draining soil. Water them deeply every 3 to 4 weeks. Pruning is necessary to maintain the shape. Fertilize them with slow-release fertilizer. Hibiscus can be grown in containers or planted in the garden beds outdoors. Fertilize them with slow-release 14-14-14 fertilizer every 2 weeks. They prefer full sun. Prune your hibiscus once in the spring. Bonsai is a very beautiful perennial plant. A bonsai is a miniature tree that is planted in a container. Keep your bonsai in an area with plenty of sunlight. They need humidity in order to keep their soil moist. Fertilize them with slow-release fertilizer. Pruning is necessary to maintain the shape. Thuja is also a very good choice to enhance the beauty of any garden. Proper watering is necessary. You can use liquid fertilizer to encourage new growth. Thuja plants are low maintenance plants. They prefer direct sunlight. Erica palm can be grown both indoors and outdoors. It's a great choice for bigger space. It's an air purifying plant recommended by NASA. In a previous video, I have shared top air purifying plants recommended by NASA. You will get the link of the video in the description. Erica palms add beautiful green color to the garden. It's a very low maintenance plant. If you are looking for unique plants to grow, adenium is a beautiful choice. Adenium, also known as desert rose, prefers well-draining soil. Keep the soil moderately moist in spring and summer, but reduce watering in fall and winter. They prefer slow-release fertilizer. Do not feed the desert rose during winter. Phosphorus-rich fertilizer is best for better blooming. Fertilize with a dilution by half of 20-20-20 liquid plant food once per month. They prefer full sun location. Rose is a very beautiful perennial flowering plant. They come in many beautiful colors. There are over 300 species. Rose plant care is very easy. Plant your rose in rich, well-draining soil. When planting, mix organic matter such as compost. They prefer full sun location, at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Apply water directly to the soil. Water often enough to create constantly moist soil but not overweight. Pruning is necessary in early spring for better blooming. Benjamina is very beautiful. They add very nice green to the garden. These very low maintenance plants prefer bright to sunny location. You can make beautiful shapes by pruning this plant. Water them when necessary to keep the soil moist. Drought is the common cause for leaf loss. We will watch more plants from the garden later. If you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss a video. I will be very happy if you please let me know down below in the comment section what are the other plants on which I should make a video for you.